Why humidify? There are at least 4 good reasons. Humidifying a building will improve indoor air quality, improve processes, preserve materials and furnishings, and improve comfort for building occupants. In short, any building containing people or materials will benefit from proper humidification. Bacteria and viruses thrive in dry air. Studies prove that when indoor relative humidity drops below 40%, respiratory illness can increase by as much as 18%. Why? Because low humidity can cause allergic rhinitis, respiratory infection, and asthma. Studies prove that maintaining relative humidity between 40 and 60% will decrease airborne bacteria and viruses, reduce fungi and mite growth, reduce chemical interactions, and reduce interior ozone production. The result, a much healthier environment. To improve indoor air quality, keep relative humidity between 40 and 60%. Humidity levels affect manufacturing production rates because humidity affects material weight, strength, size, and appearance. The ASHRAE Applications Handbook has tables that list recommended temperatures and humidities for industrial processes. For example, the handbook recommends relative humidity between 40 and 50% when assembling semiconductors, but recommends relative humidity between 65 and 70% when wrapping conductors with yarn. When humidifying to improve processes, consult the tables in the HVAC Applications Handbook for recommended RH ranges. Static electricity, which causes dust particles to adhere to objects, also affects manufacturing processes. Static electricity can be a critical problem with pharmaceutical, semiconductor, and other processes where one misplaced dust particle can ruin a chip, a batch, or an assembled component. And in hospitals and laboratories, static electricity can cause high concentrations of oxygen and other gases to ignite. In hospitals and laboratories, ASHRAE recommends 30 to 65% RH depending on the application. Many building materials, finishes, and furnishings are hygroscopic, that is, they absorb, retain, and release moisture. Low relative humidity levels can cause expensive damage to building interiors because as hygroscopic materials dry, they shrink. This can cause carpet and upholstery fibers to become brittle and can create gaps in wallpaper seams, floorboards, and furniture joints. Low RH levels also can damage historic and artistic artifacts. To preserve materials and furnishings, keep relative humidity at an adequate and, most important, consistent level. Also hygroscopic in nature, the human body gives up its moisture to dry air. As our body's moisture migrates to areas of low relative humidity, we become cooled just as when we perspire. To maintain thermal comfort, raise the RH, and you can lower the dry bulb temperature. To improve occupant comfort, keep relative humidity between 40 and 60%. Adding humidity to a building improves indoor air quality, improves processes, preserves materials, and improves comfort. Why humidify? The benefits are obvious.